Ever since becoming Muslim, I have been getting a lot of hate comments from people who have Islamophobia and hate Muslims. And I read part from the Quran today, and it was just chef's kiss. Amazing. So it's from Al-Ma'idah, or Surah number 6, 5. I'll read the verse before, number 4. Yet every time a sign comes to them from their Lord, they turn away from it. They have rejected truth whenever it came to them, yet more news will reach them concerning what they have been making a mockery of. So yeah, Islam is spreading whether you like it or not, and the truth is going to keep coming out, and more people are going to be sharing about Islam, inshallah. So be prepared to hear a lot more about Islam in the next couple weeks from more and more people on TikTok and social media.